In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to adjust the handlebars, either forward, backward, more wide, or more narrow. First, on the handlebars, locate either the Allen bolt or the quick release lever that'll help you make these adjustments. Once you locate the Allen bolt, you'll get the correct tool. This is a 6mm Allen bolt. Turn to the left to loosen. Now once the bolt is loosened, you can either adjust the handlebars forward, backward, more wide, or more narrow. And once you make the correct adjustment to meet the needs of the participant, you can then tighten the bolt. And make the same exact adjustments to the other side of the handlebar.